To make this salad, I'm going to start with the basic salad, and then I'm going to show you the high protein version. So I've started out with 1 bowl of cooked pasta, and I'm going to add some chopped chives. If you plant chives, you'll have them forever. I planted these chives over 40 years ago, and they keep growing back every year, and every year I get more and more. So if you don't have chives, you could just use onion. And mix those in. And then I'll add some mayo. You can use purchased mayo, or you can make this mayo with a potato. I call it my potato mayo. I have about 1.5 cups of cooked potato, and I'm going to add some lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons, some salt and pepper, some granulated garlic, about a teaspoon of mustard, a tiny bit of maple syrup, and about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to blend it all up. And now I'm just going to add enough milk to bring it to the consistency that I would want for mayonnaise. And I'm just going to add a few chili peppers flakes. And you can taste it just to see. And there you have a lovely mayonnaise. That's much healthier than the mayonnaise that you would purchase in the store. I'm going to add that to my pasta salad. And if you just want the basic salad, then that's it. It's ready to use. But I'm going to now turn this into a high-protein pasta salad. So I have here a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas. So I'm going to add some chickpeas. As many as you like. And chickpeas are great to add to anything because, for one thing, they're very bland, so they don't really have much taste. But they do pack a lot of fiber and protein. And now, just to add a bit of color, I have some leftover vegetables here, and I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. And I'm going to add those. I'll put a bit more mayo. And if I'm just making it for myself, this is how I would serve it. A few slices of cucumber and tomato. And some of my chickenless nuggets. And I'm going to put the link below in the first comment on how to make these chickenless nuggets. And they're very good. If you haven't tried these yet, you're missing out on something that's delicious. So there you go. I'll sprinkle a few more chives on top. And there you have a plate of pasta salad with cucumber, tomato, and some chickenless nuggets. If I'm invited to a function and I'm going to bring a pasta salad, this is how I'll dress it up. I'll take some tomato slices and place those around the edge. And then some cucumbers. And then I'll sprinkle some cheese over the top. And then some chives. And there you have a high-protein pasta salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Links below for the potato mayo recipe and also how to make your own almond milk. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.